You do not want to smell like shoes, hence it even. Okay, so I guess there's just one product left and that I'm not able to find right now. It rolled inside my bed, you guys. इतनी शू की बदबू क्यों आ रही है? But then I came to know that my clothes were smelling. Wow. Hello lovely people, I'm Akanshya and welcome to Catalytic Akanshya. Today's video is a plum haul. I wanted to film this video for the longest time now, you guys, trust me. Every single time that I plan a plum haul, they always come up with a new launch, and I'll start with the products which are their latest launches, and then we'll gradually talk about the older products. So let's get started. So the most recent launch that they have made is from their white tea and chamomile range. They have launched these two products. Now this one is a day cream and this is a night souffle, like a night cream basically. They have given this a fancy name, but I'll tell you about that in a bit. And talking about the day cream first, it contains 45 grams of product and it retails for 490 rupees, which is quite affordable I feel. And the whole chamomile and white tea range from Plum is meant to soothe and calm your skin, and this particular range is best suited for normal to combination skin, so use that accordingly. And talking about the moisturizer or the day cream, this is really nice and light in texture. It does not feel heavy or greasy at all. I doubt that it has SPF, but because they say that it's a day cream, it should have the SPF, but it's not mentioned here, so I'll have to check. But if it has, then I will put it on the screen right now. Now coming to the night souffle, oh my god, this is such a fancy product, you guys. It feels like jiggly wobbly jelly or souffle, like literally it is like a souffle. You get 50 grams of product here, and I guess it retails for 590 rupees. Yeah, it retails for 590 rupees. So when you apply the night souffle for the very first time, you might feel like ये बहुत heavy है, जल्दी absorb नहीं हो जाती है skin में, but ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं है. When you gently massage it into your skin, it gradually gets absorbed and gets vanished. But yeah, for the first 2-3 minutes, it's gonna look like it is gonna give you a white cast on your face, but nothing to worry, okay? It's not gonna exist that way. It's gonna get absorbed gradually as you massage it. Just putting it out there, because when I used it for the very first time, I was a bit pissed, like ये absorb क्यों नहीं हो रही? Why is my face looking so white? But yeah, as I massaged it into my face, it kind of disappeared, and then my skin felt a bit tacky for like a few minutes, but that's pretty normal for these night creams, because night creams are made of a very heavy formulation so that your skin gets the nourishment and the moisture throughout the night. So yeah, not complaining about that, but just told you for your information. And also because I got these two products, like the night souffle and the day cream, the very same day of the launch, so there was an introductory offer going on in which I got this skin revival face wash by the same range, and this one retails for 395 or 375 rupees if I'm not wrong, and you get 75 ml of product. Again, has the same fragrance, and it has some tiny orange beads in it which gently exfoliate your skin. ऐसा abrasive नहीं है, and actually abrasive बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. These are not appropriate for a thorough exfoliation. These are like mild, gentle exfoliating particles which are not gonna do much for your exfoliation as such, but yeah, it's kind of there and you can feel the beads a bit. So yeah. Then actually I got their toner as well from the same range. ये कोई freebie नहीं थी. I got this from my own money. So I don't think so that I need to talk about this in this video, because already मैंने एक in-depth video बना रखी है on my channel. The link is gonna be in the description box in case if you wanna watch that. So in that video I actually compared the white tea and the green tea toner both from Plum. So do give it a watch if you haven't. Now let's move on to the next launches which Plum has come up with. So Plum has actually launched like a sub brand to it called Body Loving, and I have all the products from them except the hand wash. So this is the shower gel, this is the body lotion, and this is the body mist. So these three are the products from their range, and the range that I have got, like the variant that I have got is Hawaiian rumba. And I think आप लोगों को Hawaiian rumba की ये shower gel जानी पहचानी से लग रही होगी, क्योंकि I have shown this in my top shower gels वाली video. If you have not watched that yet, again I'm gonna link that in the description box. Do give it a watch. I've talked about some amazing, effective and affordable shower gels that are available in India under 400 rupees. So do give it a watch. Now coming back to these products, so इसके बारे में I have already talked about, but still I'll give you a tiny zest. So here you get 240 ml of product and it retails for 380 rupees. It is pretty good and affordable for a shower gel, but उससे ज़्यादा अच्छी बात ये है that the fragrance lingers on your body for quite a long time. Now coming to the body lotion, it is actually a gel lotion. So again you can pretty clearly make out from the name itself that इसकी consistency is not like those heavy body lotions जो बहुत ही ज़्यादा tacky and sticky and greasy लगती है on your body. This is a gel consistency and oh my god you guys, आपको ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं लगता that you have actually applied a body lotion. However, I'll tell you this thing that इसकी fragrance is not completely like the other two products from Hawaiian rumba. I don't know why, because same range की है तो same ही होना चाहिए था fragrance, but I guess because it is a gel lotion तो इसके other जो components थे या ingredients थे उनके वजह से maybe the fragrance got slightly different than the other products. But however खराब नहीं है fragrance इसकी, but थोड़ी different है बाकी दोनों products से. So yeah, that was something I was not very happy about. Now they also say that this has Brazilian nut oil. I don't know what the heck that is, and but the only thing that matters is that क्या ये body को hydrate करती है? Of course it does. It moisturizes and hydrates your body to the T. So now coming to the body mist. So this is the Hawaiian rumba body mist. I have got two of these. Yes, एक खत्म नहीं हुआ है, but I got a refill because I love this. I simply love this. Since I got this, I am simply using only this body mist. बाकी सारे मेरे vanity में ऐसे ही पड़े हैं. I keep this at the very front and I always reach out to this. It is so lovely, you guys. It is very refreshing, very sweet, very yummy, and I just love the fragrance. I can't describe. I feel like I'm in heaven. I feel like I'm in a bliss because it's really nice. And body mist में आपको 150 ml product मिलती है and it retails for 525 rupees, which I think is a bit expensive because 300 तक भी price थी की थी, but 525 is a bit high on the price, I feel. So I have actually got another variant from their body mist. So this is the vanilla vibes, and for the very first few hours it smells really nice. It smells like the Plum's vanilla and fake body scrub. I have shown that to you guys in my different types of scrubs wali video. I'll also link that video, by the way, in the description box if you're interested to watch. So there I showed you the scrub. So it completely smells like that scrub, but gradually when it settles down into your body, the fragrance turns into a very pungent smell, which I do not like at all. It smells like कोई लोगों के shoes में से smell आती है ना, it turns into such kind of a fragrance. I know it's a very gross comparison, but that's how it is. Like, that's how I felt because I sprayed it on my clothes when I went out somewhere, and then when I returned and I kept the clothes on my bed, and जब मैं पास से गुजरी इतनी शू की बदबू क्यों आ रही है, but then I came to know that my clothes were smelling. Wow. So that's the thing that I was really disappointed, you guys, because you did not want to smell like shoes. So yeah, I think because of the different elements, different notes in the fragrance, they settle down to such kind of a fragrance. Otherwise, for the very first few hours, it smells amazing. Okay, it smells like vanilla. It smells like vanilla cupcake, vanilla pie, every single thing of vanilla basically. So it smells yummy. But yeah, कुछ देर बाद, like कुछ घंटे बाद, that's how it goes. The next product was yet another new launch from Plum, but it was a new launch 1 or 2 months back. So it is the Plum Green Tea Gentle Revival Face Scrub. Now this one also I got the very same day of launch, so there was an introductory offer as well, and with this one I got this green tea pore cleansing face wash free. So yeah, it was a win-win situation. And the scrub retails for 395 rupees and you get 75 grams of product. The face wash also comes in a 75 ml tube and it retails for 345 rupees. Both are amazing, trust me you guys. Since I have got these, I have ditched all other scrubs and cleansers that I had, and I'm simply reaching out to these two. This one is not at all abrasive in any manner. It is really gentle and it does have some irregular shaped particles in it, I won't deny, but those are not at all harmful. These do not feel very harsh on your skin. This is a very mild and gentle scrub. Along with that, the face wash works like a perfect combination, and I'm really seeing good results on my face by using these. And yeah, I just love these. Then let's talk about a few more products that I have got. These are not new launches as such, but I have used them for the very first time. So the first thing that I have got is this Eluminence Simply Supple Cleansing Balm. And this is the packaging that it comes in. And its dabba is also really cute. It's a round tub like this, and it comes with a spatula as well to dispense the product, which is really nice. And when you open it, you can see a kagaj ka lid like this, and I have actually scraped out a bit. I used it 2-3 days back when I was removing my makeup. So yeah. So overall, I felt that it's a really good cleansing balm. It removed my makeup very nicely. But yeah, thode traces to reh hi jate hain. You cannot get rid of every single bit and pieces of bits of makeup just by using a cleansing balm. But yeah, people with oily or acne prone skin, I would not really recommend you to go for this because it might clog your pores. I also got the toner from Eluminence range. This is how it looks. So it does not look the same like the white tea and the green tea toners. My mom is actually using this. I have not used it, but she loves it. It's really nourishing. Actually, it says that it is a nourishing toner and it is specially formulated for dry, very dry and sensitive skin. And also this toner is a bit expensive than the other toners as well. It retails for 420 rupees, but the quantity is the same, 200 ml only. Because I'm really sorry you guys, I'm not able to show you a product currently, but I will definitely put the clip right here for your reference. So I actually got the green tea moisturizer as well, mattifying moisturizer as well. It looks exactly same like this day cream from the chamomile and white tea range. The moisturizer was kept right here beside me and mera haath lag gaya, then it rolled inside my bed and now it is under my bed. So मुझे निकालना पड़ेगा उसके बाद. I will put the clip right now here. So sorry you guys, but yeah, just for your reference, it looks completely like this, but usme na the quantity is a bit more than this one. Here you get 45 grams, but in the green tea mattifying moisturizer you get 50 grams of product. I think the price is the same. Green tea is really good for acne and problematic skin. So if you have such kind of a skin, you can go for the mattifying moisturizer. Again, because it is a mattifying moisturizer, it is really appropriate for summers or hot and humid weather. Then next up, I got two products which are like freebies, because I got most of these things when Plum had their 6th birthday sale. Plum Nature Studio Kajal free. So I got it, and the packaging is so cute you guys, like the outer cardboard packaging. It comes in this, you know, there's a chocolate which has this kind of a packaging like this very same shape. I forgot the name, but it started with the letter T. If you know the name, please let me know in the comments below. I like that chocolate, you know, but yahan milta nahi hai where I live, so bad luck. Okay, so this is the kajal. Trust me you guys, this is the only kajal that you need. I had started using this years ago, and since then I cannot stop using it. And the last product that I have for today to show you guys is this wild cherry and kiwi hand cream from Plum. It smells delightful you guys. It is so yummy and so fruity. I really like the fragrance. But the only thing is that I do not use hand creams at all. So I am thinking that I'll put it in my giveaway box. I'll give it away to you guys. So yeah, I'm not gonna use this. and you get 50 ml of product in here, and it retails for 370 rupees. Actually, 90% of the products that I'm showing you currently in this video are must buys in my opinion, and I'm gonna put the links to all of these products from their website and as well as from Nykaa, and the links from Nykaa are affiliate links, so if you want to support me a bit more, then you can use them and support me in a way. I do not earn a huge amount from these, but yeah, it's like a very tiny amount which helps me grow in some way. So yeah, I think that was it for today's video. If you liked it, then please do not forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, share it with every single person you know, and I'll see you with another video tomorrow. Until then, it's me, Akanshya, signing off. Bye.